Go ahead. Just do it over there. What are you doing? Put it over there. She's quick, boy.
They are an army, unlike any other, crusading across the stars toward a place called Underverse. Their promised land, a constellation of dark new worlds.
She's gonna like.
And if they cannot convert you, they will kill you. Leading them, the Lord Marshal. He alone
Duck and wave, duck and wave.
and return a different being. Stronger, stranger, half alive and half something else.
Where did I get that? Is that mine or is that
Mom, we don't know.
If we are to survive, a new balance must be found.
It has to be Sarah.
In normal times, evil would be fought by good. But in times like these, well, it should be fought by another kind of evil.
That's not even funny. God, she hates that little red dot. Don't you hit yourself in the nuts. That'd hurt. Hey, don't run your battery down on your laser.
Steady,